I just got myself this cordless string cutter, or what I like to call a whippersnapper around here. Super easy to set up right out of the box. The box actually looks a lot smaller than what this contains because it comes disconnected. So this pole literally has a connection because it is going to run this little motor here from the battery that's going to be here. So that is already connected. What you need to basically put together are those two kind of like, attachments, and then all you do is make sure that they're tight, and they are, and that's not a problem. Then you put in that protector. Literally just 2 screws will get that protector in. And then the cool thing with this is that they do give you 6 extra spools. 1 already comes with it, so that's a really nice thing. So you don't have to, you don't have to worry that you're going to run out, which is great. And then what I love, they actually give you 2 extra batteries because, we've all been there where the battery runs out and then you're not even done the job and you have to go and charge it. So one's on the charger, one's being in use. And speaking of the charger, that is it. All you need to do is plug in the battery just like that and plug it into the wall, into an outlet, and you're good to go. This is a 20-volt battery. Super powerful, 8,700 RPMs here. This is how you actually set it up right there. And you lock it in. And the really nice thing too is that when you press that button, you can actually see how much. So of course, now I know the battery is fully ready. 2,000 milliamperes on that battery. I want to show you this this kind of like, I think is a nice guide right here. So all it is you unlock this and you can actually go at whatever angle you're most comfortable with. So depending on what you're doing. So let's say I'm doing edge trimming, because this thing also can do edge trimming with these little rollers. You might say, well, I'm usually used to doing something like this, which I'm going to do right now. Of course, I'm going to be careful because my little dog Walter just showed up. But as you know, this is kind of like what we've been used to. But with the rollers, you can actually do edge trimming, which means this right here. I'm not going to run it because, of course, there's an animal here. But if I was doing lawn trimming on the edge, I could literally roll around and literally, look at this. Really go to that edge exactly where I want. So that's a really nice thing, and it's not really hard on the arms because literally you are resting it on the ground and making the rolling motion, which is really, really nice. And having a secondary kind of like point of attachment is a really nice thing to have. Super easy to use, very light, as you can see, has a locking mechanism. So of course, if I let go, nothing is happening, but if I unlock it, then I am able to go. Very, very useful around the yard, of course, to clean up those trims. I think this is gonna be really useful throughout the year for us, and I'm definitely gonna have to clean this puppy up.